Yo, what up, what up? It's your boy C's from theCeesoflife.com, and welcome back to your favorite daily show. I'm in this little makeshift studio that I put up in the in-laws basement, and I'm not gonna lie, your boy is still have like this deep congestion. I don't know if it can translate through the audio, but I am congested up in here. Anyway, really didn't do much today. I was hanging out with the bro-in-law. We had the babies today, you know, while the ladies went and did their thing. Near done, nails done, hair done, everything did, while we just watched the kids and just got back and just wanted to shoot a quick little message out there. And this message is basically a very unpopular opinion. And basically it's working on your hobby for free, right? And what I mean by that is basically, you could probably hear the kids screaming, but basically it's like when it comes to making money online or building a business online, is very time consuming, and there's a lot of shiny objects that can bother your attention, right? Takes you off your path. And if you are willing to do what it is that you love for free, then you know that you are in the right space, right? And what I mean by that is like building websites, making videos, going above and beyond to help others, like doing work for free, shooting videos for free, just to get your reps in, right? Not knowing if you are going to get paid at the end of however long you do this for, right? And too often, and I fall into this trap also, you're like bombarded with advertisement on Instagram, on YouTube, on Facebook, on Google, everywhere that you go. There's all these like how to make money online schemes and tricks, and it just leads you down this false little rabbit hole that's not going to get you anywhere. And I felt that, you know, especially being hit up by a ton of people asking me how I'm able to do this and make it sustainable, I just be honest, like, yo, this isn't giving me any money, like real, like living off of money. I still have a regular job, regular meaning my personal training business, but other than that, it's just hustling, and you want to be at service to your audience first, right? And I want to use this analogy as basically like serving your country, right? Ask not what you can do for, what your audience can do for you, but what you can do for your audience. And I think that's a great approach for you to be able to do that. And if you come from that mindset and shift that paradigm and like, how can I do more for my audience? One, you'll have more opportunities, you know, that'll arise. And then two, you'll just feel a lot better and become a lot better. It's working with that invisible power. And it's really hard to explain unless you are in the trenches, actually doing the work. So my first advice is actually get in the arena, whatever it is, whatever medium that you feel comfortable with, whether it's written word, whether it's video, audio, whatever it is, just get in the arena and figure out what's the pain and frustrations that your audience is feeling right now, and then see how you can be of service to them. That's pretty much the quick tip I got for you guys today. Quick tip. Anyways, thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, holla at your boy. Peace.